Welcome to this moment of calm. Find a comfortable position, seated or lying down, where your body feels supported and relaxed. Let your hands rest gently, perhaps one on your belly if it feels right. Begin by taking a slow, deep breath in through your nose and gently exhale through your mouth. Let's repeat that together. Inhale deeply and exhale fully. Feel the rhythm of your breath like the waves rolling in and out. Now let's deepen your breath. Inhale deeply through your nose for a count of 4. Breathing in, 2, 3, 4. Hold for a moment. And exhale slowly through your mouth for a count of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. As you inhale, feel your belly gently rising. As you exhale, feel it soften and lower, releasing any tension. Breathe in calm and breathe out any stress or distractions. Continue this breathing rhythm for the next 2 minutes, letting the flow of the waves guide you. This is your time to simply breathe and be present. Let the waves support your calm as you follow the rhythm of your breath. I'll gently guide you back in a moment. Now, gently bring your awareness back to the space around you. Wiggle your fingers and toes, feeling grounded in the present. When you're ready, open your eyes, bringing this sense of calm into your day. Thank you for joining this moment of peace, and may it stay with you as you move forward. Before we wrap up, I'd love to share something special with you, something to support your journey toward peace and mindfulness. I've created a Calm and Clarity poster designed to inspire reflection and positivity. It's available in 2 formats, a ready-made version for immediate use and a customizable Canva template so you can make it uniquely yours. In addition, I'm offering a set of 24 printable affirmation cards designed to encourage moments of peace in your everyday life. Both resources are free, and you can simply download through the link in the description below. Your support, whether by liking this video or subscribing to the channel, helps grow a community focused on inner peace and mindfulness. Every bit of engagement makes a meaningful difference. Thank you for being here and sharing this journey with me.